Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can add your eye prescription information, both through Zenni's website and also how you can do this through the Zenni application. Of course, if you're making a purchase of Zenni glasses and frames, be sure to use my friend referral link down in the description to save during your purchase process. So if you're on Zenni's website, what you want to do is click login if you're not already logged into your account. And once you're logged into your account, we're going to go over to the same area and click on where it says account. That brings up this menu where we want to select where it says Account Overview. That's going to bring us to our account dashboard page, and we can see over here on the side where it says My Prescription, we can click on that. And then we can click where it says Add New Prescription. Then you can go through and enter the information when you got the prescription if you'd like to get a renewal reminder. I don't want to get a reminder, so I'm going to select no thanks on that. And then the prescription type, it's going to be, for me, it's going to be single vision. If you have bifocal or progressive, you can select that, but mine's a single vision. After that, entering your pupillary distance, which is going to be the distance between the center of each pupil of your eyes. Then also entering in my prescription for my right and left eye. And I asked my eye doctor to get a printout of my prescription so I can just copy over all of that information right into this area. So everything looks good there, so then I can click save. And my prescription has now been saved to my account. So anytime I'm selecting frames and then going through the prescription option, I can select this one that I have already entered in. Now I'm going to quickly take you over to the app to show you where you can edit your prescription information as well. Now over on my phone, launching the Zenni application. Then from the homepage of the Zenni app, I can click on my account here in the bottom right-hand corner. And then from there, in my account information area, I can find my prescription right here. And then if you haven't already added your prescription, you can do so by clicking right here where it says Add New Prescription. And that's going to wrap up this video, so I hope it was helpful walking you through the steps on how to add your prescription to your Zenni account. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Consider subscribing to the YouTube channel for more content in the future.